What if I told you there's a career path where you can be earning $60,000 a year in under 12 months? No 4-year degree, no student debt, just skill, drive, and a torch. I'm going to show you exactly how welding changed my trajectory, and how it can change yours too. Hey, welcome to Cataract Steel. I'm Scott, and this channel is built for anyone who wants to build a real career with their hands. Whether you've never picked up a welding torch, you're already in trade school, or you're just sick of the desk job grind and looking for something different, this is your place. In this first episode, I'm breaking down exactly what happened when I committed to learning welding in 30 days. What I learned, what I got wrong, and what you need to know before you strike your very first arc. By the end of this video, you'll know what welding actually is, which type to start with, and the single most important thing no one tells beginners. Let's get into it. At its core, welding is just this. You use intense heat to melt metal, and when it cools, those pieces are fused together permanently. That's it. That's the whole concept. Now, there are a dozen ways to generate that heat, and that's where the different processes come in. But for beginners, you really only need to know 2. MIG welding and Taiji welding. Think of MIG like a hot glue gun. It's fast, forgiving, and perfect for learning. Think of TIG like a fine tip pen. More precise, more control, but a higher skill floor. We'll go deep on both in future episodes. For now, just know, MIG first, TIG second. So, 30 days, here's what actually happened. Week 1 was humbling. I burned through metal I wasn't supposed to, my beads looked like a kid drew them with a crayon, and I spent more time grinding off bad welds than actually welding. But here's the thing nobody tells you. That's completely normal. Every professional welder has a stack of bad metal in a corner somewhere. By week 2, I started to find my rhythm. Travel speed, torch angle, distance. Once those 3 things click, everything else starts to follow. By week 4, I passed my first practice qualification plate. Not perfect, but passable. And that was enough to know this was real. The point isn't that 30 days makes you a certified welder. The point is, 30 days is enough to know if this is for you. And most people find out it absolutely is. Alright, here's the thing I wish someone had told me on day 1. The biggest mistake beginners make isn't their technique. It's not their equipment. It's not even their settings. It's not practicing consistently. Welding is a physical skill. Your hands need muscle memory. 2 hours every day beats 8 hours on a weekend, every single time. If you can commit to showing up for 30 minutes a day, you will be shocked at how fast you progress. So before you buy a welder, before you find a school, before you watch another tutorial, ask yourself, can I show up for 30 minutes a day? If the answer is yes, you are already ahead of most people who try this. All right, let's land this. 3 things to take away from today. 1. Welding is a learnable skill. You do not need natural talent, you need repetition. 2. Start with MIG. It's fast, forgiving, and the most in-demand process on job sites. TIG comes later. 3. 30 minutes a day beats a weekend warrior approach every time. Consistency is your superpower as a beginner. That's it. Simple, actionable, let's go. If this got you fired up, hit subscribe, because next week we're going deep on MIG welding. Setup, settings, and your first real bead. You don't want to miss it. And before you go, drop a comment below. What's the first thing you want to weld? A car frame? A gate? A custom table? Let me know. I read every single one. I'm Scott, this is Cataract Steel, and we'll see you in the next one. What if I